Listen closely because what I'm about to tell you is going to be the most important thing you have ever heard in your life. And this is something that traders like you need to hear every single day. I want you to look at yourself right now in the mirror and say it back to me. You are not a loser. If you're a loser, if you keep losing money, if you keep failing in your trading, then this video is for you. Because what you're doing today, right now, in your trading is killing you. And this needs to stop. This has to change. And this video is the start of that change. I'm going to show you how to fix your trading in 4 steps. But before we get there, let's talk about the reason why you're still struggling with trading. This video is brought to you by an online trading ideas after many years of winning and losing experience. So many of you have been asking me, hey, how can I make money? How can I learn? And my answer has always been the same. It's very difficult to do it alone. You need people that can help you. That's why I built a channel to help, without selling promises or courses. Just to help people who want to improve themselves and earn extra income or save money in these times of inflation and serially indebted politicians and corrupt. I am offering for free one-on-one as well as some videos weekly where I myself teach you guys every week. If you want to be part of that, just subscribe to the page and give me a like in the description below. So first of all, you are bleeding money. If you're still losing money, if you're still blowing accounts, if you're still not able to make money consistently in the markets, then you are financially bleeding. Every time you place a trade, whether it's a win or a loss, you are putting money into the markets. So when you put money into the markets and you don't get a return, you are losing money. When you put money into the markets and you get a return, you are gaining money. Right now you're bleeding money because you're not consistently profitable. This needs to stop. Now, second of all, you are on a psychological roller coaster. Have you ever thought about the psychology of trading? Have you ever thought about the fact that every time you place a trade, you go through these wild emotional swings? Let's say you enter a trade and it goes against you. What happens psychologically? You feel fear, you feel stress, you feel anxiety. Now let's say that you enter a trade and it goes in your favor. What happens next? You feel happy, you feel excited, you feel overconfident. These wild emotional swings up and down are destroying you. They are slowly eating away at your mind, making it impossible for you to make logical decisions. If you want to stop bleeding, if you want to get off this psychological roller coaster, here's what you do, and this is going to require some serious work on your behalf. Step 1. Start a trading journal. But not just any trading journal, a trading journal that will eliminate your impulses. I want you to write down all the trades you take throughout the day, and here's how you do it. For every single trade you take, you must write down the following: the date, the time, the market, the entry price, the exit price, the profit or loss, and the reason for the trade. By writing down all of these details, you are creating a record of your trading activity. But that's not all. You are training your mind to think before you act. When you feel an impulse to trade, ask yourself, do I have a valid reason for this trade? If you don't trade. Simply move on. But if you do have a valid reason, write it down in your trading journal and execute the trade. This way you are eliminating your impulses and only trading when you have a good reason for it. Step 2. Choose one strategy and become a specialist. Most traders struggle with this because they want to be a jack of all trades, but they end up being a master of none. Let me tell you something. If you want to be successful in trading, you need to specialize. Choose one strategy and become a specialist at it. Don't just use indicators randomly. Don't jump from one strategy to another. Focus on one strategy and become so good at it that it becomes your second nature. Become so good that you can read the market like a book. Become so good that you can predict the next move of the market with almost 100% accuracy. Become a legend in your own right. Become the go-to person for that strategy. When other traders have questions about that strategy, they come to you for answers. This is the level of mastery you need to achieve, and it starts with choosing one strategy and sticking to it. Step 3. Follow the 1% rule. The 1% rule is simple. Never risk more than 1% of your total portfolio on any single trade. Let me repeat that. Never risk more than 1% of your total portfolio on any single trade. This is your survival insurance. It's your safety net. It protects you from catastrophic losses. You may lose some trades, but if you follow the 1% rule, it won't matter because you'll still have enough money in your pocket to keep trading. You need to understand that trading is a marathon, not a sprint. It's not about how much money you can make in one single trade. It's about how much money you can make consistently over a period of time. The 1% rule allows you to do that. It allows you to survive in the markets. If you want to be a successful trader, you need to protect your capital. The 1% rule is the best way to do it. Step 4. The 30-minute weekly review. This is where things get interesting. Every single week for 30 minutes, I want you to sit down and review your trading. Not just review it, but analyze it. Go through each trade, each decision, each entry and exit. Ask yourself, was I right? Was I wrong? Why was I right? Why was I wrong? This is pure gold. This is where you improve. This is where you become a better trader. In 30 minutes, you can make so much progress. In 30 minutes, you can find areas to improve. In 30 minutes, you can find patterns in your trading. And when you find these patterns, you can fix them. You can change them. You can become a better trader. Now let me ask you a question. Which trader are you? The trader you are today, or the trader you can be tomorrow? If you want to be the trader you can be tomorrow, if you want to stop bleeding financially and psychologically, then follow these 4 steps. Start a trading journal that will eliminate your impulses. Choose one strategy and become a specialist. Follow the 1% rule, your survival insurance. And 4, do the 30-minute weekly review. This is not just a video, this is a call to action. This is a challenge. I challenge you to take control of your trading, to fix it, to change it, to become a better trader. The choice is yours. Are you going to continue to bleed financially and psychologically, or are you going to take action? Are you going to start a trading journal that will eliminate your impulses? Are you going to choose one strategy and become a specialist? Are you going to follow the 1% rule, your survival insurance? And are you going to do the 30-minute weekly review? If you choose to take action, then I'm here to help you. Join my community. Learn from me and other experienced traders. Take your trading to the next level. If you want to be successful in trading, you can't do it alone. You need a team behind you, pushing you, motivating you, helping you, and that's exactly what I do in our community. Don't wait any longer. Take action today. Fix your trading. Stop bleeding financially and psychologically. Become the trader you were meant to be. Thank you for watching.